Now maybe Igbera say I call you.
Come on, this sofa. Posa. Don't shut down the car.
Hey, bros.
How you doing? Don't you? How about dinner?
I feel what is it?
Why, yeah, you my sister. Good afternoon. Hey, well done.
Bros, you know, people they look for person again.
No, mommy, you know, say many things. Just the person here, waka here and there, and I cause her.
Bros, last time you tell me that time. Don't, you know, say I can't take a thinker.
Wow, your time of thinking to the logo. You know they could the think finish.
I don't think now, wait.
Eh.
I don't agree.
Wow, see, my sister, no vessel. You see that time where I tell you that time, say I like you, say I want to date you. That time Nigeria good. This one now we will do now. Now grace of God, everybody got to the live. Me now, my own, I never fit. If I can't add the whole journey, that means I will not kill myself. This will not be time to carry woman. Oh!
Love no be money now. Love na natural thing.
Love no be money. Tomorrow you go say you want to do hair. Next tomorrow you go say you want to buy a shoe. You want to buy clothes. You want to do something, you want to do that one.
My hair no dey too cost.
You know the two cost, but it cost. Then from there now, I'll call the buy up and down. My sister, we are now in a town hall, different from Barablo. Shebi you see us everything take there. All man for yourself now. No more dating, nothing. Now, see, I never chop since. My sister, no verse. I know say I can tell you before, but now I'm not talk again.
Bros, you know if get like me.
Don't worry, just they do your own, they do more, they go.
We talk am now, you know.
Country Doha.
Get no data again, no.
Country Doha.
Me and they beg you like this, I get why.
Country Doha.
No,
you know say that time I beg you, no agree. You say me you think am. Me now no go think am. I no agree, I not do again, no. Country Doha. Everywhere Doha. To ever see food chop now, na problem for everywhere.
Bros, we think am abeg.
I not get what they think. You know how much be cup of garri?
For what?
You know how much be rice? You know
Is it forever?
Day here now. I never chop. I bet no verse on that way we cause in the country. No verse.
Bros, if you just check
I dey manage my life, they go small like that.
Just check am.
So another person will come and go like you, but me, money no dey. Nothing.
Go now. I don't do this. This guy now will just give me chance. Sister don't dey come. I want for those guy wey go give me some kind thing now for Easter. Bro.
You think say they wise?
Bro, you think I'm abeg.
I bet they go carry your wallet go. Carry money no dey. Carry your wallet go.
Same bad luck with this one.
Maybe this game open for wahala. God forbid. When I take talk to this guy, say with the ticker, say want it. Now, what is dog hard for Nigeria? They say they agree for me. That's we never chop. Now they fight get. This time there's no time for to carry woman. They don't carry woman again, no. Well, I never see money take chop. Now what they carry woman? I beg go. Happy for this kind of Nigeria wey we do like this. We are done ready.
Now maybe Igbera say I call you. Orere Ajé and Orere Agongon of Africa, aka MC Sweetheart. Person where they make people they laugh.